buggies and handcrafted barns is turning heads with their unique, high-quality cannabis strains. Curious? Buckle up, because today we're uncovering the fascinating story behind this unlikely partnership. Get ready for some jaw-dropping revelations. Imagine a community steeped in centuries of tradition, untouched by the rush of modern life. Your mind likely goes straight to the Amish. Arriving in North America in the 18th century, they've spent generations living simply, away from the noise of contemporary society. Tucked into the picturesque countryside of Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Indiana, their lives revolve around family, faith, and farming, a timeless harmony of values. Known for their craftsmanship and unparalleled farming skills, the Amish have long been celebrated as masters of the land. But here's a curveball you might not expect: cannabis cultivation. Yeah, you heard that right. While the Amish are famous for their baked goods, furniture, and thriving crops, their age-old farming expertise has quietly expanded to include marijuana. With a deep understanding of crop rotation, natural fertilizers, and the rhythm of the seasons, they cultivate toxin-free, high-quality harvests, setting a new standard in agriculture-based industries. So, how did one of the most traditional communities in America find its way into the cannabis trade? The answer lies in a mix of economic necessity and shifting laws. Traditional crops like corn and wheat no longer bring in the profits they once did, pushing some Amish farmers to explore new opportunities. With marijuana increasingly legalized and offering significant financial returns, it presented a compelling option, a way to keep their families secure while staying true to their farming roots. But not every Amish family is on board. The Amish live by the ordnung, a set of church-prescribed rules that govern everything from their use of technology to how they farm. These rules vary across communities, shaping their views on what is acceptable. For those who have embraced cannabis, it's not about moral conflict, it's about practicality. They see marijuana as just another crop, valued for its medicinal and economic potential rather than any controversy surrounding it. Here's an important distinction. The Amish don't consume cannabis. Their role is purely in its cultivation and trade, treating it no differently than tobacco or hemp. Their approach is pragmatic, not provocative, a way to adapt to modern economic challenges without compromising their values. Despite their reputation for being frozen in time, the Amish have consistently shown a knack for adaptability. From selling handcrafted furniture to baked goods and now cannabis, they've found ways to engage with the modern economy. Intrigued? It gets better. The cannabis strains grown by the Amish are as unique as their farming methods. Let's go into what makes their products stand out from the rest. Within the Amish community, there's a deep understanding and respect for the earth that is translated into their cultivation practices. They don't chase new trends or new exotic strains. Instead, they focus on unique strains that thrive in their countryside and mirror their well-known purity and craftsmanship. Sour Amish Diesel adapts the legacy of the established sour diesel and adds an Amish twist, making it something extraordinary. With an intense earthy aroma complemented by stimulating citrus notes, it's the right pick for moments of creative inspiration or extreme concentration. The strain's robust character withstands Pennsylvania's changing seasons, and it's evident from the meticulously hand-trimmed buds that they take pride in every harvest. The absence of conventional pesticides showcases the natural terpenes of the strain. Amish OG Kush is an organic take on the classic OG Kush, cultivated perfectly in Amish-constructed wooden barns. This predominant indica strain is celebrated for its tranquilizing effects, acting as a staple for stress reduction and sleep promotion. The slow-curing techniques of the Amish community sharpen the strain's floral and herbal notes, offering an incredibly smooth smoke. It's the ideal choice for anybody seeking relaxation after a tiring day, mirroring the Amish lifestyle after a day from dawn to dusk. The spotlight is on Pennsylvania Gold, a local hybrid strain known for its magnificent balanced effects. It extends a serene euphoria to users without compromising productivity. The strain's ability to acclimate to different climates is its true success, particularly crucial in the fluctuating weather patterns of the Amish countryside. Pennsylvania Gold's inherent robustness is a perfect fit for Amish farming practices that are outdoor and pesticide-free. Lancaster Lights, named after the renowned Lancaster County, embodies the care and simplicity evident in Amish farming. With a gentle, uplifting effect, it's perfectly suitable for daytime use when concentration and positivity are essential. Thanks to the Amish's minimalist approach to cultivation, the strain presents a fruity flavor profile, allowing the plant to showcase its natural character. It's marketed as an embodiment of the